So we're working on this ice machine. The water is running down. Well, it's not now, I turned it off, but we got water. But our compressor and our fan isn't coming on. And our contactor was pulled in, but I wasn't getting voltage on one side of it. So I've turned it off and got my meter probes on here. I should have continuity by pushing this plunger in. If I did, this green light right here come on. The camera's not picking up my screen. It says OL, but it's not showing on the phone. So trust me. Anyway, it looks like we have a bad contactor, so I'm going to pull that out and inspect it and see what's going on. So I got the contactor out, and as I was removing it, guess what just fell off the top of it? This goes in, yep, into this area. And it is no good. So I'm going to try and get approval from the manager to replace this, and we'll see how it goes. I didn't have one with the right coil voltage, so we are pulling into the supply house now. Okay, I'm back. Gotta do contactor. Gotta go ahead and put it in here, and I'll get that wired up and be right back. Okay, we got the contactor in. Put the power back on, or plug it back in the wall. And it says we're making ice, but we'll see. So what we're waiting for is for the compressor to come on and the fan motor. And hopefully we'll be finding out here pretty quick about that. Shouldn't take long. We were actually getting some error messages about power loss, as well as some other error messages that we need to check out. Oops, not what I wanted. Long harvest, power loss, starving CXV, blood evaporator, water system fault. Alright, I'm going to clear these for now. And I hope none of that comes back. But we'll have to check it out to see. So I know my contactor's good. Hopefully this compressor's going to come on in a minute. See, the machine is completely empty. Hopefully that thing down there works. Oh yeah. We just need ice. I'm a little concerned about the other error messages. I hope there's not something else going on with this. Anyway, we're going to pause this for a little bit and see what's going on. Our fan and compressor are now on. You may be able to hear it. And now we need to launch it for, I don't know, maybe 16-20 minutes and make sure that it makes a load of ice. And we'll check, make sure there's not any other errors. And we should be good. Okay, it's been about 17 minutes and we're about to drop a load of ice. And 17 minutes is pretty good. So we'll sit tight here and we'll see some ice. We'll see this push open and we'll get some ice come out. It's in a harvest mode and we're just waiting for it to drop the ice. Come on, you can do it. There it goes. Yeah, you saw it. And you can see a load of ice down there at the bottom now. And it's resuming the freeze operation again. So I think we're good. I'm definitely going to stay and watch a couple, 2, 3, 4 more ice drops just to be sure that it's working good and that we're not getting any error messages. But I don't think there's going to be any more issues. I think it's done. So if you like the video, please like and subscribe. See you later.